So if you're asking, is Okash different from OPay? Okash is an app on its own, and Okash is not offering a finance app just like this where you can transfer money, receive money. So Okash app is powered by my Blue Ridge Microfinance Bank, and if you go on Google Play Store, you're gonna see who owns Okash app. They just partner with OPay to make it easier for people who are actually interested in borrowing money inside OPay app. So Okash is not registered with OPay, so they are different, but then you can actually access Okash app inside the OPay sometimes, but currently now the app is not available inside OPay. But then you might also find it easy when you are trying to borrow money. You might be able to see Okash app inside your OPay app, but currently East Money is the only one available on inside my own OPay app right now that I can actually use to borrow money if I want to borrow money from the app. So you can see right there. But then Okash is different from OPay, and Okash is not registered, but they actually partner with OPay.